think of how he came so far from glory, came to dwell among the lowly, such as I, to suffer shame and such disgrace. On Mount Calvary took my place. When I ask myself this question, who am I? Who am I that the King should live and die for? Who am I that he should reign at my will? What thine be done, Lord? The answer I may ever know, why he ever loves me so. But to the old ragged cross he'd go, for who am I? When I'm reminded of his love, I live never. Yes, be true, I'll give to you life forever. I wonder what I could have done to deserve God's only Son, to fight my battles until he won. For who am I? Who am I that the King should live and die for? Who am I that he should reign at my will? What thine be done, Lord? The answer I may ever know, why he ever loves me so. But to the old ragged cross he'd go, for who am I? Who am I that the King should live and die for? Who am I that he should reign at my will? What thine be done, Lord? The answer I may ever know, why he ever loves me so. But to the old ragged cross he'd go, for who am I? But to the old ragged cross he'd go, for who am I? But to the old ragged cross he'd go, for who am I?